As I reflect back over the last 18 months, I have to say that I couldn't be more proud of our YMCA and the way it's responded in these COVID times. And I think we will look back at some point and say this may have been our finest hour.
COVID-19 challenged every leader to dig deep and lean into their organization's greatest strengths. It was all about what do we need to do today based on what information we have right now to impact the most people in the most positive way and keep looking forward.
Yeah, I think it would be a challenge to find an organization that's been more impacted by all of this than the Y. I mean, because you have it at so many different levels. I mean, just as an employer of all of the folks who work for the Y, there's been all of the issues with, you know, what to do and how to provide for employees during that whole uncertain time period. There was the issue about all the facilities being closed. I mean, you had government regulations that said you could not be open to provide the services that you provide. But then at the same time, you had different regulations that said that other parts of the services that you provide, like childcare and things like that, you know, really did have to be open because you needed to provide for, you know, the families of medical employees or first responders and so forth. So it was an enormous challenge. And frankly, you know, the way that the Y has sort of navigated that has really been amazing and really inspiring as a board member to sort of see it.
Well, people discovered us during the pandemic, and it's interesting, we have just about doubled over the last 12 months. So those who didn't know, for example, that we provided the support that we've done through our learning pods and through our learning loss programs are realizing that, oh, the Y does this, and oh, by the way, the Y will also support and subsidize campers. So people discovered the Y, and the need is there, and the need is great, and it's evident by the doubling of financial assistance that we've put out. So our need to raise money, obviously, goes hand in hand with that, and our fundraising is going to be so crucial, not only this year, but in the years ahead.
Today, more than ever, philanthropy is going to help us in our financial recovery. It's just fact. And when membership is down 30%, when program is down 40%, when we're trying to get back to what we were, there is no better time to demonstrate the commitment to the Y.
I think our donors have a sense of what we do. I still don't think the community necessarily understands all of what we do. And that's an ongoing struggle for us, both from a donation standpoint and from a service providing standpoint. And it's why I think we're, you know, trying to open the doors again and trying to say, okay, we're open for the community, come on in and see us. It's to let people know we're there. We're there for you. We can provide, there's so much more that we can provide to you than you realize.
Do we like that idea, guys? Yeah!
It really doesn't matter how big the donation is or how little the donation is. The important thing is there's a donation. It makes a difference. It really does.
It's an easy decision because I believe in what we're doing. I see the good, I see the benefits, I see that the value in what the money I'm giving is going towards.
The ability that we have to create positive change is proven. We know how to do this. But the ingredient that allows us to do it at the level that we have for many years, and that we would like to do for many years moving forward, is the philanthropic support of our community, our local community. Because here's what I know. The investment that you make in our organization will pay off tenfold for the people who benefit from it.